Just yeah, not just big cats. Over here you can see letters trapdoors. This is the mail begins mails. Big sea of spaces. I will not make a tutorial, but I will make a tutorial about the other ship. But that will be in the other showcase. I think tomorrow or maybe I showcase that thing. I don't know when I'm gonna showcase that. I think around about today's minutes 20 and let's continue. This is the seats. Okay, more seats. But only for gamers, I don't know, for something like that. This is the kitchen. The kitchen. This is the captain quarters. As you can see, it's fully work. Yes. If you're in laptop, make sure in the first words. Yeah, I don't know. I will make a tutorial because it's making me too long. I will make a tutorial about the SS London. I'll see. I will just see that for you later. This is the balcony. I don't know what it is. This just better. Just like there is some ghosts. You can see everything. So you can I suppose they need to get ready. Oh, get me out. Get me out. There's two close nests here and there's one two close nests for better spy. Nice. This is not the most so we have to brush very punches it's good in fact very slow sensitivity. This is the closeness of the almost and almost let me show you inside of the uh, cabinets. Let's just show you the don't worry, I'll show you the others. This is the photo. See, photo booth time. Oh, why how dare you? How dare you? Let me let me in. What happened? What happened? Ah, oh no. Oh no. Okay, that's all. But where's my ship? Oh, I'm stuck. How great. Wait, this is the outside perspective. This is my this ship. The MS. Yes. It's a steamship. It's strong condition. Has high gloves. Has safety lifeboat measures. This the oldest ship. Okay. Literally just gonna showcase this thing. And I'll make a tutorial when I got 300 subscribe that helps out the channel. see you next month.